In this video, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mazda 3, a compact car that continues to raise the bar for design, comfort, and driving dynamics in its class. The 2025 model brings some subtle yet meaningful upgrades that enhance its overall appeal, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a stylish and refined compact vehicle. Let's begin with its exterior, which remains one of the strongest points of the Mazda 3. The design language is sleek and elegant, with smooth curves and a sporty stance. The front fascia features a bold grille with a refined mesh pattern and slim LED headlights that give the car a more premium and aggressive appearance. The body lines flow gracefully from front to rear, giving it a coupe-like silhouette even in the four-door sedan version. The rear end is clean and modern, featuring updated taillights and a dual exhaust setup in the hatchback version, adding a sporty character. Wheel options now go up to 18 inches with fresh new alloy designs, and new color options like zircon sand metallic and ceramic metallic further elevate the car's visual appeal. Step inside and you're greeted by one of the most upscale interiors in the segment. Mazda has carried over its signature minimalistic design approach, focusing on driver comfort and intuitive controls. Soft touch materials cover most of the dashboard and doors, and the overall layout feels tight and well assembled. The 2025 model introduces a slightly larger 10.25-inch infotainment display that now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paired with a rotary controller on the center console. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and provides relevant driving information without overwhelming the driver. Sound insulation has also improved, making the cabin quieter even at highway speeds. The front seats are supportive and offer a good range of adjustment, now available with both heating and ventilation in higher trims. Rear seat space remains slightly snug for taller passengers but is still acceptable for a compact car. Mazda has also added more USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad in the center console for added convenience. The trunk space in the sedan is competitive, while the hatchback provides extra versatility for carrying larger items, making it a more practical choice for some buyers. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda 3 continues with its trusted powertrains. The base models come with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 155 horsepower, while mid-tier trims get the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine offering 191 horsepower. For those who crave performance, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers an impressive 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel.